Today we're bringing this BMW 850i back to life. This vehicle had a ton of paint issues, including some chips, which I touched up, a bunch of deep swirl marks on its insanely hard paint, and you can see here a really questionable repaint which left a ton of overspray over the whole vehicle, which posed a unique challenge. This vehicle took 3 guys, 1 full day to complete, about, I'd say, 25 man-hours in there, maybe a bit more. And there was tar on the bottom we had to take off, and you can see just how dramatic these before and afters are. We ended up having to do a 3-step paint correction, employing Menzorno 1000 on a microfiber pad, followed up with Griot's Fast Finishing Cream on a microfiber pad, and then polish on a yellow pad. And you can see these after shots speak for themselves. This vehicle really needed some help, and after the service was completed, I can't even begin to describe how much better this vehicle looked. It is wet when you look at it. These final shots are amazing, and I was super happy to have been able to get this vehicle back to new, fix the issues that the poor repaint caused, get rid of all the tar spots, and of course ceramic coat it so it can stay looking fresh for a long time. This was a great job. BMWs are a total pain to work on, unfortunately, but this happened to be a great result thanks to the 3-step process. Reach out to me if you want a similar transformation.